See if this hair revert back. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Ching back in this thing with another video for y'all. Today I have another initial review for you guys. A company has sent me some hair. This time I chose curly hair, so I'm about to jump straight up into this hair and let y'all see what I think about it off rip. They sent me inches 12, 14, 16, and 18 to check out. I'm going to be making a unit with this hair, and also I have a closure. I think, what inch is this closure? A 12-inch closure. I'm thinking about doing one of those asymmetric curly bobs, y'all. So let me see what I think about this hair. Okay, when I first open it up, it looked nice. It got a nice luster and things from it. Looking at it, when you first open it up, y'all, it's got a hairnet around it. This is the 12-inch. When I install this hair, I'm probably going to install it the opposite. I'm gonna have the shortest at the bottom and the longest at the top, because I kind of want the front to come to like a long point on the side. But yeah, this is the hair, y'all. This is how it looks. It's actually really pretty. It's nice and full too. I know I'm not about to use all of this. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Smells like hair. Usually, like most of the hair that I get. Now I know once I wet this hair, it's going to drop tremendously. So hopefully when I wet it and once I do the unit, it'll all fall and sync together. I'm gonna open up this. This is the 14-inch. I like their little cards. Their little cards are cute. JC Hair Factory. This is their Brazilian hair, okay? This is the 14. This look a lot longer, like for real, compared to that last one. Smell the same. This is what the hair pattern looks like. Looks the same, exact same as the other one. And it don't feel like it got a film on it, surprisingly, for it to be curly hair. Most curly hair have a film on it because it usually takes like longer to steam press. But it don't feel like I have a film on it. Like this would probably be some curly hair that I would just like install right away and wear. It's the 14-inch. That one smelled the same as the last one. Yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna be able to use all of this hair. I ain't gonna hold you up. I ain't even gonna hold you up. I'm not even gonna do myself like that. If I try to wear all this hair, I'm gonna be looking like a little fur ball. This hair feels the same. It's nice and soft. I can run my fingers through the ends without no issue. This hair actually smells a lot better than the other two bundles. But yeah, it's really nice. I can run my hands through it, like literally, with no issue. That's good. The ends look pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see that. Pull out this last bundle. This is the 18. I'm probably gonna wind up using 2 bundles, y'all, in the frontal. I mean in the closure. If so, I'm gonna do a giveaway for the other 2 bundles. Cause I'm not gonna be able to wear all this curly hair. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking crazy wearing all this like a little. I don't wanna look like a little poodle, okay? Yep, smell good. This is how the hair look, y'all. Okay. It's nice. It's like the exact same. Nice, soft. Smell the same pretty much. So all the bundles are really full. That's super dope. Like literally all the bundles are super full. Look at that. Chicka chicka. So you are getting a nice amount of hair, y'all. Can't see that. Put it on this side. This is nice. Fresh hair, y'all. I don't know. It's cute though. We're about to pop this closure open. This is just my first thoughts, y'all. They shipped it DHL, so it took a couple days to get here. Nothing real crazy, nothing long. Okay, off back, I like the fact that the closure have baby hairs. That's super dope. And I like the fact that the baby hairs go the opposite way than the closure. I hate when I get closures and the baby hairs go the same way, because depending on the way that they actually install the hairs into the lace, it's a lot easier to smooth them down when they're, you know, already going the way that you need them to go. So I like that. This actually look kind of big to be a 4x4, but the pattern looks the same. Is the hair, that's a plus. Shouldn't have a problem with blending. Yeah, this is how it looks. The lace is like a nude color. It look like the perfect density. It don't look like it's over dense where it look wiggy. It looks very natural. Let me show y'all if I can get a. See, it looks very natural, y'all. You don't even see the knots that bad. You don't even really see the knots. So, the closure looking good. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what this hair is talking about. Like I said, y'all, I'm about to do a unit. I'm trying to figure out if I should color it or not. It feels good. It looks like it's gonna take good to color. I'm about to take my flat iron and see if you can flat iron this hair straight. Like flat iron this hair straight. I'm gonna take a little piece out of this bundle and see if it will go straight. Okay, y'all, so I'm parting out a piece of the 16-inch, about this much. And we are about to see what this hair is talking about. If I'm trying to straighten it, real talk, real talk. So I'm gonna take it like this. Combed it out a little bit, you feel me? Dang, look at that. Whoa. Cuz, look, I didn't even use the chase comb method. So y'all would definitely be able to straighten this hair. Definitely, look at that. That's bone straight. I'm about to wet it. See if this hair revert back. Uh-oh. So no. I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this now. What the heck? Yo, that shit is not reverting. It's still straight as hell, look. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to retry this. Oh, it's starting to revert now. Y'all see it slowly? Uh-oh, there we go. Hey. Okay, okay, okay. Y'all know this is an honest review. Look at this. We watching this shit together. Starting to revert. It's almost blending back in. Okay, okay. We can get in that. Okay. Okay, as y'all see, if y'all can see this curl right here, that's the one right there. So I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Once this hair is wet, this hair is gonna drop some, okay? This piece right here, it did revert back, as you can see. This is probably gonna be the pattern of the hair after you wash it, which I like that. This is also deep wave hair, y'all. So the hair did revert back. For a minute I was scared. I'm like, it didn't even revert back at all. But look at it. It did come back nicely. The curl pattern did come back. So y'all would definitely be able to straighten this hair and wave it back up. So I don't know, y'all. This is my initial review. Also, it's the Revert Test, I guess. Straighten and Revert Test. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna make sure I leave everything for this company down in the description box below for y'all to check it out, so y'all can go look at their website. I also suggest you guys to wait to see how the install review is. You know what I'm saying? So far the hair feels good, it smells good. They're really full bundles. The wefting looks really nice. I would definitely give this hair a try. So I'm ready to install this. Shoot, let me know what y'all think. I don't know. Comment down below what style y'all think I should do with this hair. Should I color this hair? I was thinking about doing a colorful, like a colorful curly bob. I don't know. Because I feel like curly hair just be looking old on me sometimes for some reason. But I'm going to try something new for y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment it down below. As always, it's your girl Ching, y'all. And I will be back again with another video. Talk to y'all later. Bye. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ching, and I'm back again. Y'all already know. I'm featuring these new waist snatchers we got. Check them out. Check them out. I'm going to show y'all a couple workout scenes as well. But y'all, we have the new Purple Passion waist snatcher. Y'all see it's like a metallic purple color. We have the Golden Net waist snatcher. Okay, if y'all want to get snatched, why y'all ain't got this shit? I don't understand. We have a new waist snatcher, y'all. It actually zips up. It's a lot easier for you. We carry these snatchers up to 6X. So it don't matter what size you are. We also gonna have extra small for those chicks out there who's tiny but they want an extra curve. Last but not least, y'all, we got the Pinky Sweat set. Okay, if you want to sweat, I got this for y'all. It actually zips up. It's just like a sports bra, nice and cute, perfect, pink, girly, you feel me? And then we have the pants to go with it, y'all. This actually zips up as well to accentuate that shape that you're trying to get. And yes, you will sweat in this. So if you're trying to sweat, this is for you. Make sure y'all go check out the website. I don't know what you're waiting for. Everything is $20 off right now. $20 off. So go get it. Make sure y'all check it out. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, okay? Get snatched. You feel me? Get snatched.
Every day, hustling, make a way. All I gotta say is